What's up, guys? Rigby Salzer here from Backyard Boys. We're about to go fish the river up by Big Sky today. We just found a nice little pull off. Just gonna fish this section, maybe walk up it, see if we can find, maybe get some nice rainbows on today. Yeah, let's see what we can do. What's up, guys? So Caleb and I, we just moved to a new spot up the canyon. Caleb was feeling hella confident. We saw some moose, we jacked him off. But yeah, that's where we're at right now.
Yes, bro! Ow! I'm so glad I started filming.
Man,
oh my.
The water's got some bite to it. So we're out here. I don't have any waders on today. Probably gonna regret that decision. Let's see what we can do.
We just made it to the spot. I got 2 flies on here. On the bottom, I got this little dropper with some gold on it. And then about a foot above, I got a Pat's rubber legs. And about 3 feet up, I got my indicator. So let's see if we can't catch a fish.
Yeah, fish on, baby. He's feisty.
Oh. Gotta wet the hands first.
Oh yeah. Hey.
Oh, what a shot.
Oh yeah.
Now get on out.
Caleb's got another one on. Hey.
There she is.
Look at that.
Okay, about the same size as the last one.
Heck yeah.
Easy peasy, hook out. Goodbye. All right, YouTube. We switched spots because our other spot just got ransacked. First cast at the next spot. Oh! There he is.
Hey.
Monster. Okay, goodbye.
There he goes.
All right, guys. Same spot. Got another fish.
Where is it? Hey, big old whitefish.
Damn, he's chunky.
Hey.
Nice little whitefish.
There we go. Yeah. Nice one, dude.